What's up guys, so welcome back to the channel, welcome back for another NBA trading cards unboxing. Let's go! Okay guys, so on this video we will be opening the Panini NBA trading cards Illusions Blaster Box. So this is my second Illusions Blaster Box to be opened here in the channel. The first one was the 2020-21 series, and these are somehow like a little bit notable because of the designs of these cards are pretty nicely done. These are somehow like silvers and has reflections, or the cards has reflections, and I'm pretty much somehow like attracted to those kind of cards, though I am pretty much excited to what rookie cards that we can get here, because of there are lots of rookies nowadays that are somehow like valuable in terms of its price or the value, though I'm just collecting it for myself. I'm not into selling these cards in the market. So without further ado, let's move on to the next camera and crack this open. Okay, so let's start here first with the box. Of course, I'll be keeping one again for my seal collection. Let's just compare it first before heading on to opening this one. So this is somehow like my sixth 2021-22 series of NBA trading cards. I think I'll be keeping this one and opening this for today's video. Okay, let's go. Though this product has only few rookies or rookie cards onto it, but hoping to get good rookies here for our opening. Okay. Oh, I directly opened everything here. So let's just count first the box. I mean the packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6. We have here security paper. So let me just go back first here with the box. So this has 6 cards per packs, 6 packs per box. Find the Blaster exclusive Emerald and Ruby parallels. Look for autographs in rookie signs and trophy collection signatures. New look for the ultra rare retail exclusive tough insert. And what else? Find the Blaster exclusive Emerald. Okay, so these are the inserts that we are expecting to be part of this product. So those are all of the things that we might have encountered here. So again, we have 6 packs here of Illusions, starting with the first one. Okay. First is Miles Bridges. Is this Emerald? Don't know. Next one, Tobias Harris. Tim Hardaway Jr. And we have Anfernee Simons. And oh, Vince Carter, nice. And for our rookie, we have Delano Banton from the Raptors. I don't know him. Not too familiar. Okay, moving on to the next one. We might get lucky with an autograph here, hoping to get one to add up onto our collection. Okay, so we have here Gary Trent Jr., Eric Gordon. Next one, Malik Monk. Hey, first insert here we have rookie reflections. Herbert Jones and Sean Marion. Nice. So this is a rookie card, I guess. Okay. And oh, we have Magic Johnson here. And for our rookie, we have Jalen Johnson. Okay, so let me just separate the legends here. Vince Carter and Magic Johnson. Okay, moving on to the next pack. Okay, Tyrese Halliburton, Marcus Smart, Bam Adebayo, Kristaps Porzingis, Oh, we have another legend, Dwayne Wade. And for our rookie, we have Aaron Wiggins from the OKC. Nothing notable yet so far. Moving on. Okay, we have Jarrett Allen, Yusuf Nurkic, Devin Vassell, second year. Oh, first another insert. Intriguing players. Trae Young. Nice. The card has its texture. It's like embossed and some texture on top of it, while this character is popping out onto the card. Nice. Next one, we have another legend, Jerry West from the Lakers. And for a rookie, Quentin Grimes. Hoping to get somehow like Cade Cunningham. Let's see. Okay. Second to the last pack here. First one, Bojan Bogdanovic. Next, we have Terry Rozier III. OG Anunoby. And, oh, nice. Jalen Green, nice. We pulled a rookie king of cards. Jalen Green, nice. This is a big pull, guys. And for our rookie here, oh no, it's still a base card, Stephen Curry. And for our rookie card, we have Cameron Thomas. So, sorry for that. Okay, so we got Jalen Green here. This is the best pull for this product, I guess. King of cards. Okay, so moving on to the last pack here. Let's see what surprise we can get. Okay, so we have Kyle Lowry, Nikola Jokic, Dennis Schroeder, and we have an Emerald rookie, Joshua Primo. And we have another legend, David Robinson. And for our last rookie, Jalen Suggs. Nice. At least we are ending up with Jalen Suggs. Okay, so let's just have a short summary of this. Okay, so we have here the base cards. I just don't know if these are the exclusive emeralds and rubies, but these are base cards. Then Schroeder, Nikola, Kyle Lowry, Stephen Curry, OG, Terry Rozier, Bojan Bogdanovic, Devin Vassell, Nurkic, Jarrett Allen, Kristaps Porzingis, Bam Adebayo, Marcus Smart, Tyrese Haliburton, Malik Monk, Eric Gordon, Gary Trent Jr., Anthony Simons, Tim Hardaway Jr., Tobias Harris, and Miles Bridges. For our legends, we have David Robinson, Jerry West, Dwayne Wade, Magic Johnson, and Vince Carter. For the inserts, we have here intriguing players. Trae Young, nice. It has a good looking card here. And for another insert here, I guess this is a rookie card. With rookie reflections, Herbert Jones and Sean Marion. And of course, the base rookies here, Jalen Suggs, Joshua Primo, Cameron Thomas, Quentin Grimes, Aaron Wiggins, Jalen Johnson, and Delano Barton. And of course, for the great pull for today's video, Jalen Green, rookie, Rockets, King of Cards. Nice. So there are your Illusions Blaster Box for 2021-22. Okay guys, so there you go. So we finally opened the Panini Illusions 2021-22 series of NBA trading cards, though the rain is already catching up. So hopefully we can get a good audio by the end of this video. So I really love what happened there. I'm pretty much excited to why somehow like we got lucky from this product that we pulled Jalen Green, King of Cards there, and I didn't notice which is the emerald and the rubies there. Though we have few inserts, of course, with some of the legends as well. So I'm pretty much satisfied to what we have pulled from this product. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel because we still have more of this. And notify yourself every time we have a new upload. Power lang. Patas. Bye-bye!